Welcome to Module 2. This is Classroom 2 of Unit 4, the last classroom in this module. This one explores further the idea of health-seeking behavior. So in this classroom, you will learn about health-seeking behavior in rural communities in India through reading a recent article published in 2011. So the article was published in the Indian Journal of Medical Research, and the title of the article is First We Go to the Small Doctor, First Contact for Curative Healthcare Sought by Rural Communities in Andhra Pradesh and Orissa, India. As you can see from the title of the paper, you can see a lot. Firstly, the fact that they have reproduced a phrase in quotes, first we go to the small doctor, indicates that this paper is drawing on qualitative insights from the field. Let's look at the abstract. So basically, the researchers, the authors of this paper, are trying to understand what the response of the rural communities with respect to health seeking is, given that there is insufficient what they call public supply of primary care. Okay, so they have basically used a cross-sectional study design, which means that they have conducted a survey at one point of time. They have conducted household surveys as well as focus group discussions and key informant interviews. So to clarify, the household survey component is the quantitative component, and the focus group discussions and the key informant interviews is the qualitative component in this study. So it's what is called as a mixed method study. We will explore some of these concepts with respect to research in a later module. So what they find is not very surprising perhaps to most of you. We have also covered this earlier. They find, for example, in Andhra Pradesh, that nearly 70% of the respondents accessed NDAPs, which means non-degree allopathic practitioners. This is of course a terminology used by these authors to designate people who practice allopathic medicine but who do not have a degree. So if you notice, they have tried to be non-judgmental about this category of people. Usually these are what are called as, in lay press, these are what are referred to as quacks, or unqualified doctors or RMPs, etc. So they find that nearly 70% of patients in Andhra Pradesh and nearly 41% of patients in Orissa chose NDAPs as their first curative contact, and nearly 37% went to traditional healers. So the gist of their finding is that a large part of rural India depends on unqualified non-degree allopathic practitioners and traditional healers as first point of contact. So basically for primary care. Now the lesson that we take from this is of course, the need for better regulation, better governance of this practice, but the other to also understand what is the gap in terms of health seeking behavior of the community that these people are able to fill. Right. So the paper, I will leave the rest of it to you. This is only the abstract, and I hope many of you will be able to gain some insights on rural health seeking behavior through the reading of this paper. So see you back in the course.